Hi, welcome to English course from Canada Lingo. This is the lesson 2. What color is it? So what color is it? It means o ne renk. So what color? It means ne renk.
What colour is it, Billy?
So please repeat. First, listen. Listen, it means dinle. And then repeat. It means tekrar et. So she said, what color is it, Billy?
What colour is it, Billy?
What color is it, Billy? What color? Let me write. What color is it, Billy? So, let me highlight. What color? It means ne renk. What color is it? It means o ne renk, Billy. What color is it, Billy?
It's green.
It's green, he says. It's green. O, green. It means O. So, it means O, green. Green, it means yeşil. So, it's green.
Green. Green.
Green color. It's green.
Green. Green. Good boy.
Good boy. Good boy. It means iyi oğlan. Yes, good. It means iyi, good boy.
Billy, what colour is it?
Please repeat. What color is it? He asks, what color is it? So, what color is it? Let me write here. What color is it? So, it's red.
It's red.
It's red. It's red. O, kırmızı. It's red.
Red. Red. Red. Good boy.
Good boy. Good boy.
What colour is it? It's blue.
So, what color is it? Again, what color is it? What color? What color is it? Oh, what color is it? Then he said, it's blue. It's blue. So let me change the color. It's blue.
Blue. Blue.
It's blue.
Blue. Blue. I'm blue.
I'm blue. So he says, I'm blue. I'm blue. So we learned I'm, it means Ben. Yes, I'm, it means Ben. Ben maviyim. I'm blue. I'm blue.
I'm blue.
Oh, Billy.
Okay, so we learned what color is it? It's green. Then good boy. Then what color is it? It's red. And what color is it? It's blue. And Billy said, I'm blue. Billy said, I'm blue. So let's listen again. Please, please listen, dinleyin, and repeat. Tekrar et.
What colour is it, Billy? It's green. 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 Good boy. Billy, what colour is it? It's red. 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 Good boy. What colour is it? It's blue. 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 I'm blue. I'm blue.
Oh, Billy.
Alright, so now we can play a game. Today's game is colors. So we learned colors. So what color is it? Let me write here. What color is it? On renk. What color is it?
Green.
Green. This is green.
Yellow.
Yellow. Yellow.
Purple.
Purple. Purple.
Orange.
Orange. Orange.
Grey.
Gray. Gray.
Black.
Black. Black. It's black.
Red.
Red. It's red.
White.
White. It's white.
Brown.
Brown. It's brown.
Blue.
Blue. It's blue. So red. It's red.
Red.
It's orange. Orange.
Orange.
It's yellow. It's yellow.
Yellow.
And this is white. Repeat. White. It's white.
White.
So what's this? Black. Black. It's black.
Black.
Purple. It's purple.
Purple.
Brown. It's brown.
Brown.
Green. It's green.
Green.
Blue. it's blue.
blue,
Gray, it's gray.
grey,
So what color is it? It's purple. We can say it's purple or purple.
purple,
What color is it? It's gray.
grey,
What color is it? It's orange.
orange,
What color is it? It's yellow.
yellow,
What color is it? It's green.
green,
What color is it? It's red.
red,
What color is it? It's brown.
brown,
And what color is it? It's blue.
blue,
What color is it? It's black.
black,
What color is it? It's white.
white.
Perfect. So we can practice our book. Today we can learn B. So this is B. B like blue. So let's write B, B, B. B, for example, blue. B, blue. Or boy. B, O, Y. B, O, Y. Boy. Boy. Or B, A, T. Bat. This is a bat. So we learned B, O, Y. Boy. And B, A, T. Bat. Bat. So boy, bat. Boy, bat. We can write B, B, and B. Okay, let's read. Let's read. Let's read. It means okuyalım. So let's read. Okuyalım. Let's read. I'm Billy. I'm Billy. It means ben Billy'im. I'm Billy. Then we learned what color is it? It means ne renk. What color is it? We learned it's red. Then we learned it's green. It's green. It's blue. It's blue. And it's black. It's black. It's black. And it's white. It's white. So it's red, it's black, it's green, and it's blue. Okay, so this is the end of the lesson. Have a nice time and see you later.